Does this apply to my shop? Short answer: if defense information touches your shop, it may, and defense information can travel farther down the chain than people expect. Here's the test in plain terms: do you make, handle, or have access to information that came from a defense contract? That could be a drawing, a spec, a purchase order with controlled detail, or data a customer sent you. There are two terms that matter early: Federal Contract Information, or FCI, and Controlled Unclassified Information, or CUI. If your shop handles FCI, a basic level of protection applies. If your shop handles CUI, more is expected. And here's the part shops miss: the requirement follows the work. If a prime flows the requirement down to you, your shop now has a role in protecting that information, even if you are several tiers down the chain. So the real question isn't, am I big enough for this? It's, does the work touch defense information? If you're not sure, run the diagnostic at qualifiedcapacity.com/diagnostic. It will give you an honest starting picture.